We're asked to determine the rate law on the metabolism of ethanol in the bloodstream, and we're given some kinetic information. We see that we have different concentrations of the reagent for the beginning. However, the rate of reaction is unchanged. That means this reaction is zero order or independent of the concentration of the reactant. Therefore, we can write the rate law as the rate is going to equal some rate constant K times the concentration of ethanol raised to the 0 power. Anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1, so the rate is equal to K, which is 2.0 times 10 to the minus 2. The units are moles per liter per hour.